It's a CNH 4.75 FWD. Comes out on your 2015 and newer. So these axles fail a lot, and where they fail mostly is in the differential area. Don't really know why, but we get a lot of calls for them. We sell a lot of them, and sometimes we're out of them, so that lets us get into you know, do we have an alternative? So what we've done is actually created an alternative for basically both CNH axles. So again, this is what your 475 looks like. It's got all the bolts on the outside. And then your 5.0 Class 5.0 axle, it has the same failure in the same section around the differential. So what we've got is we've got an axle that doesn't fail, that is a upgrade for this as far as class, and it's a direct replacement for that. So I'll put the part number in for both of these for the search, and if everything was equal price wise, you're better off to go with the upgrade.